Hey, welcome to the video. It's Cassie. For this mini popcorn box, you're going to need this pattern here that you can get on my website, and I'll have the link in the description for you. I already have one cut out, so you don't have to sit here and watch me cut it. So I have mine, and so on the pattern, I made dotted lines. So you'll want to cut on the solid lines, and then the dotted lines are going to be where you're going to fold your cardstock. And you do want to print this onto cardstock. The heavier the better, especially if you want to put something inside of the popcorn box that has some weight to it. If it's just popcorn, you don't need too heavy of cardstock. So you can see I have it folded in all the spots here where it needs to be folded. I'll show you how to trace this onto your cardstock. So this is a cardstock that I grabbed at Hobby Lobby, just with some little hearts on it, metallic looking hearts. So you'll want to lay it flat to start and then trace around the outside. These little popcorn boxes are so easy to make, and they're so cute. And I tried to make this template as simple to use as possible for you. So you can actually just print the template onto your cardstock. Okay, so now that we have it all traced on around the edge, we'll want to make the lines so that we know where to fold it. Now you can try to just wing this, but it's a lot easier if you just mark it. So just fold back each little section at a time and mark where to fold it. You can tell on the template once it's cut out, you can kind of tell where to fold it. So like I said, you can just wing it that way if you want to, but if you want to make sure that you get it folded in the right spots, then this is what you would want to do. And so then you just cut it out. So now we're just going to fold it on all the little dotted lines that we made. Okay, and now we can just glue it together. This one's going to be so cute. I love this cardstock. So we'll start with just gluing this right here, the side. So just put a little strip of hot glue there. And then just line up the edges. Okay, and then we just have to glue the bottom. So what I like to do is put hot glue on this tab, and this tab, just to be sure it stays closed. And then just tuck it right in there and press it down. And you can also press from the inside to make sure that the little tabs are touching. And there's your little popcorn box. Isn't that so cute? So make sure that your seam side is toward the back if you're going to decorate these. I mean, you could just use it like this and it would be super cute. But I wanted to show you a few decorations for these. So I also have a red glitter cardstock one here I'm going to quickly glue together and then we can decorate a couple. So for decorations, I have some of these little felt hearts. These are actually stickers, but I'll probably glue them on anyway. And then I also have some table scatter. I got both of these things at Dollar Tree, and there's a lot in the bag, so you could decorate a bunch of these with one bag. So I'm thinking on this one, I'm gonna glue some of these cute little hearts on here and then put a ribbon. So I have this cute little ribbon that I thought will look fun on this glittery one. So I'm just going to make a little bow, and then I could stick it right there, or I could put it off to an angle. I think it looks cute in the center, so I think I'll go with that. So I think I'm just going to glue all that down. I think it looks cute. So just a little hot glue and press it on. So these have a sticker on the back, so I'm just going to stick them right on. It makes it super, super simple to decorate these little things. Look at how adorable that looks. Okay, so there's that one. And then this one, I think I might put, let's see. I think I'll do that on that one. And then I have another ribbon that's similar to the other one. That seems too busy. I think I'll try this one. I got this ribbon on Amazon actually, and I will link to everything that I can for you in the description so that you can find this stuff. I think I'm going to do that for that one. So just glue my little bow on. These don't have stickers on the back, so I'm going to have to glue these on. You can do any cute little decorations that you can find, any little stickers or anything, or you could cut out your own shapes out of felt or cardstock or, you know, anything. Be super cute. Oh my gosh, look at those. Aren't they so cute? Okay, so you can fill these with popcorn. If you're gonna do them as like goodie bags, you can get these little goodie bags. I think I got these at Walmart. You can find them at Dollar Tree. You can find them at the party stores, craft stores. So if you wanted to do like candy, or if you wanted to put popcorn, but you don't want it to be falling out the top, you know, if they're not going to eat it like at the event, you could just put your candy or popcorn or whatever right inside of the bag. And then tie it off with a string here, and then you can just put your bag right in there. And then if it's too big, you can always just trim the top off like that. So just cut your little bag off, and see, isn't that so cute? You can leave it sticking up like that if you want, or you can press it down in there. And then let's just fill this one with some popcorn. It's like the perfect little snack size popcorn for a party. You know, have your guests just grab it off of the table or whatever. And then I'll show you this one. I don't know if I have enough candy to fill it, but I wanted to show you. I don't have enough candy in here, but you could, if you don't want to put as much candy in there, you can always put something in the bottom, like some tissue paper, and then put the candy on top, and it makes it, you know, all the way full. So there they are, the cute little containers. And I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope this helps you with a little gift idea or goodie bag idea. And thank you so much for crafting with me today, and I will see you next time.